Hey guys, John here again. Let me share with you what I've experienced. You won't believe it, or maybe you will, so here it goes. Life's going great. Job, health, finances are all in sync. It seems as though all my stars have aligned and I'm destined for something better than I had in the past. No pink slip at work. Oof, bullet dodged. No illnesses or lumps anywhere. Well, no new lumps anyways. I didn't even leave my debit card in my pants pocket when I washed my clothes this week. Something I've been known to do on occasion. When I walk into the bank, they don't ask me if they can help me. They ask me if I need a replacement card. Well, there's only one thing left, and that's dating. Hell, I'm getting dates, so what could be the problem? Yep, then it happened. Damn it, man, I should have seen this coming. Last week, one of the women that I'm dating went totally C-squared. Oh, that's combustible crazy for short. But she seemed so even-keeled, so regular. Want to know what happened? I'll recap it for you. My date and I were enjoying a great dinner at a popular food spot. Great food, music, atmosphere, service, and drinks. The whole nine. Oh, and I was having a great hair night too. My date was flashing me a great smile. She was laughing at all my jokes. And to be quite honest, I'm not that funny. She was even reaching across the table to touch my hand. I just knew I was going to get some. Then the friggin' bottom fell out. Our waitress, who was super attentive to us the entire evening, came over to ask if there was anything else she could get for us. My date said she was okay, but there was something that our waitress said that sent her over the proverbial edge. When our waitress asked if I wanted any dessert, she called me by my nickname, Johnny Boy. Now, I've always been kind of partial to my nickname, but apparently it wasn't my nickname that pushed my date's combustible crazy button. It was the fact that the waitress knew it. This made me like a regular customer in her eyes. Well, after my nickname was uttered, my date lost it. She accused me of everything from having a thing with the waitress to bringing all my dates to the same spot. She demanded that I take her home immediately. What the hell? I mean, none of this was remotely the truth. Shit. So much for getting some. How am I gonna fix this?